Hey, imagine walking into your setup and feeling that little spark of excitement again, that moment where you know things just got serious. King 95. This isn't a casual box of parts. It's for the person who's tired of stuttering load screens and good enough framerate excuses, for the gamer who's been dreaming in higher refresh rates and smoother climbs, for the creator who's been bumping up timelines and sighing at render bars. Before anything else, go check the current price and stock. Ready rigs with this level of hardware don't linger for long, and every delay is a chance for a seller to raise the price on you. You know that flip a switch moment when you realized your old PC was holding you back, the jump from peak excitement to subtle irritation? That half-second delay in a fight, that stuck cursor during a render, that nagging thought that there has to be something better? That's the moment of truth. That's when you outgrow compromises. Swapping in the King 95 doesn't feel like an upgrade, it feels like liberation. The first time you hit play on a demanding title and everything runs without hesitation. You breathe deeper. That tightness in your shoulders? It eases. You don't manage your system anymore, you use it. Late night raids feel alive, open worlds unfold without hiccups, and editing videos actually feels fun again. You don't wait for anything anymore. Every tab, every app, every scene just works. That's the subtle magic of genuine power married to thoughtful balance. And if you're thinking of holding out, thinking maybe something slightly better is just around the corner, let's be honest, every time you look at a spec sheet, you come right back to this. That's because deep down you know what real performance feels like, and you're done settling. One surprise bonus nobody talks about is how your workflow just clears up. No more juggling tasks to lighten the load. You fire up your favorite tools and they hum. You test the waters with heavy workloads and there's no flinch. That's confidence you can feel. Owning something like this changes your rhythm. You stand a little taller at your desk. You start projects with less nervousness and more certainty. You stop asking, can it handle this? And start asking, what else? Smooth, responsive, unshakable instant load times and fluid play multitasking without second guesses. Cool, quiet, ready for anything a platform you'll grow with. It's bigger than you thought, it's more capable than you expected. There comes a point where comparing systems just slows you down. You've classified enough specs. You've chased enough benchmarks. The one you keep circling back to is the one you already wanted. So if you're serious about your games, your creative work, your time, don't let hesitation steal another session from you. Check that price, lock in your stock, and go all in with the King 95. You've earned gear that actually keeps up with you.